Here we go again. Wouldn't usually videotape, you know. It's really windy today. And man, you never know, eh? Better get you guys centered up there. It's really windy. I'd be surprised if that wind starts to blow that airplane back. Here we go. We get a good flight in. I hope. These are centered good. Click into my radio. Holy, see the wind's blowing the plane backwards. Okay, and it's takeoff. Hey, why am I rolling that way today? Weird, eh? Wants to roll to the right a little bit. We'll fix that. It's fixed now. Couple clicks of trim. And you know, I'm under half throttle. How's that, eh? Remember the first video I made of this yesterday? I was still 75% of my battery left, believe it or not. It's only 1800 milliamp in here. Look at it climb, eh, at half throttle. Oh, fabulous kit. And the me109. What a nice flying airplane. Yeah, very agile. Very nice flying warbird. Probably give my P-51 Mustang a run for the money. I know would beat my Corsair. I'm pretty sure. I don't know, maybe not. Sure flies nice. You come low and fast. Huh. And low and fast. I'm only at half throttle, guys. I don't know why. It's just there's full throttle. For a second they're going up. Holy moly, that was fast. Let's see if we go straight here. There we go, full throttle into a 15-20 mile an hour wind. Here, just come with the wind, full throttle. Man, oh man. I don't know. But I think that's really fast for a 4 or 5 year old piece of styrofoam. I've had this plane a long time. It's just flying wonderful. It's really windy out. But this little guy doesn't mind. That whine is that brushless. This is a hand-wound motor. Oh boy. I just gotta get off the throttle. Isn't that a weird one, eh? Yep. Gotta watch it. If you're on the throttle too much. Well, I don't know if I would hurt anything. Maybe I'd snap the wings off today if it's so windy out at times. It's a fun plane to fly. Oh yes, sort of point and go type airplane. A victory roll, yeah. Huh. Very nice. Well, I think I got a break in the wind right now. And if I check, I got nobody here. Nobody parked. So I'm going to come in for a landing, guys. Let's see if I've used, say, 50% or 25% of this battery. I don't know, but here we come. Whoa. Oh, that was a touch and go, honestly. Okay, whoa. Gotta be careful there. The wind's behind me. I'll try and taxi it back. It really is hard to taxi styrofoam when you got a strong tailwind. Right now. Oh, hang on, there we go. Now we got a headwind. You can see the elevator go up and down, not very much movement. The ailerons, very minimal too. But sure flies nice. Very nice kit there. You can see that old brushless motor on there. It's a 9.7 slow flyer prop on it. Nice and scale. Anyways, there we go.